it going? Hey guys, Josh P here, back at the compound for our, I think, 5th episode. I got a BMX now, so I can shred. The jumps aren't looking too good at the moment, not in the best condition. The lip has completely collapsed. So we're gonna completely rebuild the place. Yeah, should be mint.
Yeah, apart from my jump at the start.
Yeah, we might be able to ride today, so yeah.
100% doubt that we're not riding today.
Alright guys, we're going to go into a quick build laps now, but make sure you go on to TikTok and follow footy.prem.mp4. Let's get into it.
Alright, arch is off.
Yeah, we've done some
Got that jump.
good work.
Landing's pretty good.
Done a lot for a lot.
Yeah, it's not that big though. I'm gonna make it a bit taller, but arch gotta go. So yeah, probably film that last bit.
It's so big, bro.
Yeah, it's gotten better though. Yeah, anyway, sweet as. Anyway, that's it. That's the landing done. Yeah, all packed in. Looks pretty good. One side's still not really packed in, like at the back, on the left corner, because it's just up against the tree. So it's pretty hard to get in that spot, like just in there. That's okay. It's not that big, but it'll carry enough speed. So yeah, probably have the lip done tomorrow. Might just pack up and go home.
Right guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. To the sky!